the first pathway, transforming humanity's relationship with nature.
We remember now how our ancestors gathered around the fires.
To stand on tiptoes, to breathe unfettered like a bird, to soar.
Plant hands in deep soil, dopamine and decay, our future in our fists.
Nature, outrageous, in defeat, lights tiny fires across the wasteland.
Little honeybee carrying all our futures on dusty shoulders.
If you plant a seed, it may die, but it may live, may become a tree.
Nature clasps our hands, breathing as one. Tall trees sway, souls entwined with roots.
As electrons dance, the humans brace to harness Thor's furious gift.
Clouds weep, barrels brim, with soothing sounds of raindrops. Harvest hope flows.
Brimming open pond, preparing to bring fresh life into the new spring.
Immersed in ebb, flow, porous, floating water, heart, where do I begin?
We wrote short haikus, good for the environment. They use much less ink.
We dared to believe in something bigger than us and found connection.
We now see gardens as small private factories making oxygen.
Those veg patch rooftops, breathtaking walls of wildflowers, cushion future homes.
Free public orchards. People just take what they need. Vitamins all round.
My internet clicks have funded 46 trees, my future forest.
Exponential growth in new tendrils, not profits, grows greener futures.
All energy made by solar, wind and water. We breathe in clean air.
The meandering song of once hidden rivers gladdens our cities.
Up vine-clad Bond Street, riding the tram, a cool breeze on our sunburnt arms.
The world is restored into the hands of good folk. The zombies have gone.
We're able to see the stars every single night, anywhere on Earth.
Children walk barefoot in kaleidoscopic fields, naming the flowers.
A seed was planted in the hot, stony, hard earth. That was all it took.
Gnarled old hawthorn trees turn bride white to berry red. Long live the fruiting.
Hot Poets International is working with the UNFCCC's Resilience Frontiers to creatively manifest their 8 pathways to a better future.